This is WaterTech two-way right angle stop valve. You will get one valve. The valve will look like this. This is WaterTech, very nice company. This is the flange and this is the extension piece, and this is the washer for placing inside this. This is the Teflon tape. Keep it here and wrap it. Wrap it on all three. It must be tight. It should not be loose. This is the main which goes inside the. These are the two. You can use this. After opening this, the water will come through this. After opening this, the water will come through this. Now it is ready to fit. This is the water tank. This is the outlet valve. Before starting the work, just shut it. Yes, it is removed. Place this like this and turn it. Do not over tight. When you feel it is tightened, just stop it there. In this case, the extension piece is not required. Depth of this adapter is below the wall level, then you can use this. For that purpose, the company has provided this. You can keep it as a spare. Along with the washer, place it. This is the unit sprayer. Now I am connecting it here. You must check the washer before placing this. Now the work on the valve is over. Open it. I am opening it. Yes. Yes, it's over.